In the not-so-distant past, a group of dedicated scientists embarked on a quest to combat the relentless spread of malaria, a disease that plagued millions across the globe. Fueled by a desire to make a difference, they turned to the fascinating realm of genetic modification and set their sights on the humble mosquito. Years of tireless research and collaboration led them to a groundbreaking discovery in the early 2000s. They uncovered a gene nestled within the Anopheles mosquito species, the notorious carrier of malaria. This gene, known as SM1, held the key to the mosquito's immune response to the malaria parasite. It sparked an idea, a daring plan to engineer mosquitoes that were naturally resistant to malaria. Armed with the power of gene editing tools like CRISPR-Cas9, the scientists delved into the intricate world of DNA manipulation. Carefully, they set out to modify the mosquito's genetic blueprint. Their mission: to enhance the mosquito's immune system by altering the SM1 gene, equipping the insects with an innate resistance to malaria. Time ticked away, but their determination remained unwavering. After years of meticulous laboratory work and rigorous testing, the fruits of their labor were ready to be set free. In 2018, the first genetically modified mosquitoes resistant to malaria were released into the field. These trials were conducted in several malaria-endemic regions, such as sub-Saharan Africa and Southeast Asia. As the modified mosquitoes took flight, hope soared alongside them. The targeted areas witnessed a remarkable transformation. The mosquito population began to dwindle, and with it, the transmission of malaria. The number of cases plummeted, bringing relief and a glimmer of triumph to those living in the shadow of the disease. The success of these field trials sparked a wave of optimism and renewed vigor in the fight against malaria. It was an achievement that paved the way for future possibilities. Scientists, emboldened by the promising outcomes, sought to refine their gene editing techniques and expand the reach of genetically modified mosquitoes. In the corridors of laboratories, whispered conversations turned to the realm of possibility. What if they could engineer mosquitoes resistant not only to malaria but to other mosquito-borne diseases? Dengue fever and Zika virus trembled at the mere thought of such interventions. The boundaries of scientific progress expanded, hinting at a future where multiple diseases could be held at bay through genetic modification. But the road ahead was not without its challenges. As the curtain of success rose, concerns about the ecological impact of releasing genetically modified mosquitoes cast a shadow over their triumphs. Scientists, ever vigilant, engaged in rigorous risk assessments and opened their doors to stakeholder consultations. They remained committed to ensuring the safety and ethical considerations of their groundbreaking interventions. And so, the story of genetically modified mosquitoes resistant to malaria continues to unfold. With each passing day, new horizons come into view. The whispers of progress grow louder, promising a future where malaria's grip on humanity may be loosened. The tale of these resilient mosquitoes is not one of fairy tales, but of science and perseverance, driven by the dream of a world where the spread of diseases like malaria can be halted, and lives saved.